Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to use Roblox in Blender. First, open Roblox Studio and select the model or place you wish to export. Make sure all parts are anchored and grouped properly to ensure a clean transfer. Then, use the Export Selection option, saving your creation as an OBJ file. Remember the file's location. You'll need it for the next step in Blender. Now, let's bring your creation into Blender. Open Blender and delete the default cube to start fresh. Navigate to File, then Import and choose Wavefront, Obj. Locate and select your exported Roblox file. You might need to adjust import settings, such as scaling, to ensure your model appears at the correct size. Verify it looks right in the viewport before proceeding. With your model imported, it's time to add some visual flair. Select your Roblox model in Blender and head over to the Shading workspace. Here, you can create new materials and assign them to different sections of your model. Don't forget to import and apply any textures you have, ensuring proper UV mapping for a realistic and accurate appearance. This step truly brings your model to life. Finally, you can refine your model further using Blender's powerful modeling tools, perhaps adding intricate details or smoothing surfaces. Experiment with lighting and camera angles to create stunning renders or presentations. When you're satisfied, export your finished model from Blender in a suitable format like FBX or GLB. Always consider the final use case when selecting your export settings for optimal results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.